Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm located here in Los Angeles, California. I'm 6 feet tall. I'm auditioning for the role of Dan. I can see why Laurel can't stop talking about you.
She does?
Oh yeah, how bright you are, how mature, how sexy. They would positively eat you up at Stanford.
Stanford University?
That's Stanford, yes.
Oh my god, I have so many questions. You have no idea. Laurel had mentioned that you graduated.
Ask me anything you desire. I'm all yours. And hey, what's your handle? I want to follow you. Occupational hazard. Not my favorite part of the job, if I'm being honest. But your mom's friend Amy always seems to be at the wrong place at the wrong time.
What did you do to her?
Simply what was necessary to protect my clients and my assets.
Is that what we are to you?
I deal with the richest, most powerful men in this city, Maggie, and they trust me. Do you know why?
I don't care.
Because I'll go to any lengths to keep their secrets. Understand?
What did you do to Laurel?
Oh, Laurel? She'll be awake soon. But oh, is she in trouble?
Was Grace Martin in trouble for not keeping your secrets?
Grace was uncooperative. Couldn't grasp the concept of being a team player. You remind me of her, actually, but worse.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Well, aren't you a firecracker? Ever since Laurel met you, she's been difficult. She is, by far, my highest earner. So that is a huge problem for me. Hence, it is a huge problem for you.